Let's go. Welcome, guys, to another session, guys. Trading terminal. Welcome, guys, to another session. Let's go get the markets once more, guys. Let's go. Start live. Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome to What's up, guys? Welcome to another session, guys. Good to be here once again, guys. It's very cool to be here. If you are just joining us, guys, if you're just joining, please, I want you to, I want you to let me know, guys. Let me know, guys. Let me know, guys, in the comment section, guys. If you're just joining. If you're just joining us, guys, if you're ready for today, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. You guys already know our mantra. You already know our keyword, which is making trading simple, guys. Drop something in the chat box. Let's get started. We have a lot, as usual, to talk about today. We also have a lot to do. We have the markets to break down. A lot, guys. If you're just joining, let me know in the comment section, guys. GYE, please change your username. Change your username to your actual name, guys, so that I can identify you. You're just joining, you're welcome. You're welcome. If you can see me, hear me clearly, let me know, guys. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. Where are my peoples at? Where are you guys? You're ready for trading? Good. I am also ready for trading. I was born to do this, guys. Yeah, good day, Coach Amos. Yeah, good. How are you doing? Neka, how are you doing? How is your day going now? You're welcome. Where my people, Demo, Abdul, Mohammed, Timothy, David, Samson, Dixon, Chelsea, Lukman, Little Sense. I'm beginning to memorize all your names. Where are you guys? Samuel, how are you doing? Welcome. Matthew, how are you doing, bro? How are you doing? Guys, let's start the day with our usual keyword, which is making trading simple. Bombard the chat with some comments, guys. Making trading simple. Let's make trading simple for today. Now, while we do that, guys, let's take a look at what we did yesterday. So yesterday we took a trade during our live session that went our way. Then I told you guys to those in the VIP group. I later gave you guys some updates. All right, we later got out of that trade at a certain point because the market was already ending, so we just had to get out of the trade then wait. So let me just show you guys Um, guys, drop some making trading simple comments in the comment section, guys. Let's get started. Let's get started. So, guys, remember I told you something about a news that was going to be released today. This movement over here is the effects of that news. So we're going to calm down today. We are not we're not rushing the charts today. We're not rushing the charts today. We're not rushing trading today. So I told you guys something that you should look out for Forest Factory. I already told you how Forest Factory works. So this reaction you are seeing right now is the news. Is the reaction to that news. So we are going to take it easy today. Though we've not had any actual loss this week. 4 trades so far, all ended up in profits. So if you actually made money one of those trades, let me know in the comment section, guys. Coach Amos, please teach me how to trade. Yeah, that's why I'm here. Thank you very much. Making trading simple, guys. With one and only. Well, it's true, one and only, but yeah, everybody is special in their own way. You are also very special, Neka, and every other viewers. Making trading simple. Yeah. So this means that we are fired up for the day, guys. So first thing first, guys, let's get down to business, right? Let's take a look at the trade that we took. That we took, or that we've taken so far. Then we'll break down the markets. Don't worry, guys. We have a lot of time today, even though it's Friday, right? We have a lot of time. So once we take a look at those, trades. The next thing we want to do, we want to break down the charts. Then now position ourselves. Decide, are we going to be buying today or are we going to be selling? And remember, guys, like I always tell you that I trade. We wait for our trade. We don't just wake up, you just pour water for face, come to the chart and say, I'm going to buy, and you start buying. No, you have to analyze the charts. And I always remove all my drawings from my charts so that I will be able to show you more go they sell. Hey, voila. So what I normally do, I'll remove all my drawings, then start from the very scratch. Wow. This selling is massive. And I told you guys that gold was going to go down. So don't worry, we'll still break that down. Let me not digress, guys. Let me not digress. So we're going to break down the market. But first of all, guys, let me show you what you have to do right now if you are yet to do it, right? Which is the very first thing is if you are yet to make a deposit, right? This is what you should do. You should look at your, just hold on, guys. I'm going to bring back the charts, all right? So just bear with me. Just bear with me, guys. Let's go down to business first. So I'm going to share my screen. Now, guys, if you are yet to make deposits, right? If you're yet to make deposits, guys, this is the icon that you want to click on. That's a very good rhyme. The icon you want to click on. you can note that down. So if you go to your chat box right now, for you to be able to gain access to our VIP group, our VIP channel, where I give extra attention to traders, whether you're a beginner, you're just seeing this app for the very first time, but you have at least 5,000 naira or 4,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, or $3 or $4 or $5. You can even do 10, 100, 1,000. It is still your money. You're not giving it to me or to anybody. I always want to clarify that because I know there are people who are joining these chats or this live session for the very first time. So you don't go, don't start thinking that you are paying for this. You're not paying for the signal. The money you are depositing is still going to be in your account. But the only difference is that if you deposit while on this live using this particular icon over here, right? It is going to give you access to our VIP Telegram channel and also the VIP where you get to ask me any question about trading, then I'll always be there to reply you. All right. So this is what you want to do, guys. Make deposits. All right. Right now, at least $3, $4, $5, $10. If you have more, fine. It can get you into that VIP group. Now, let me show you what actually happens in that VIP so that you see how special right? How special the VIP group is, so that you know that, because there are a lot of things that I might share, a lot of trades that I might share that I will not be able to share right here, right? Because I only stream for 1 hour 30 minutes per session. So with the outside those streaming session, outside those live session, I'm going to be updating trades as well and giving signals. So for you to gain access to those signals, you just need to make deposits. So so this is basically, so as you can see over here, guys, we already have 20 plus people in the VIP right now. Yesterday were just, I think, 10 or 9 people there. So almost around 14 people joined yesterday, right? And we're still expecting more of you to join the VIP. So we take trades outside the live session, inside the VIP. Then I also get to share other insights as well. All right. Outside this live, inside the VIP Telegram channel. Now, this over here was the trade. So this right here was the trade. This right here was the trade that we took yesterday, and I had to update the whole I had to update those in Telegram channel, right? When we got out of this trade. Now, if you're not in the VIP, and let's say for example you take this trade while we're on this live session, you might not know, okay, have we closed the trade or are we still holding the trade? But if you're in that VIP Telegram channel, you will know, you get the updates concerning the trade that you take on this live. Because like I said, I'm not going to be streaming from morning to evening. So that is one reason why you need to make your deposits, then you gain access to the VIP. Now, having said that, guys, let's go back to the charts and then break down the markets. All right, normally, then look for trading opportunities. Then start looking for trading opportunities. So, Big Prince, how are you doing? Say, I'm new to BTCDana. Please, I need assistance. Yeah, what you can do now is just make deposits. Sorry, guys. Is just make deposits. Then you can gain access. Someone just made deposits. Congratulations. AQ, please change your username. Make I no go buy tongue. I use God beg you. All right. So that I'll recognize you in the chat, because I can't see your actual name here. Go to your profile. Meanwhile, welcome to the VIP. So go to your profile, change your username. Change your username, the default username, to your actual name, so that I can recognize you the way I recognize people like Nick, Abdul, Timothy, Chelsea, and the whole rest of them. I've not seen Chelsea. I've not seen Dixon. Your name is Adam. You're welcome. But please change your username to Adam, so that, because if you chat again, I won't know that you are the one, right? Because I go through all your chats, guys. I respond to almost all your messages. Okay, guys, so let's break down the charts. Now, let's get to work. Let's do what we do best, all right? So the first thing I want to do, I told someone this morning that gold was going to sell. I told someone in my own personal community, I told someone that gold, I told my mentee, my student, that gold was going to sell. And that's basically what is happening. And remember, I also told you guys that gold was going to continue to go down to a particular level. So now, on the daily time frame, though we already did this yesterday, but let me still do it again for the sake of those that are just joining. So I told you guys that the actual target for gold is this level, right? This is the daily time frame, guys, and this level. But we have this fair value gap. I believe I've explained to you guys what fair value gaps are. So I told you guys that price will continue to pull down because of that fair value gap. User 147 says, Amos, well done. Well done. How are you doing? How are you doing? How can I teach you how to trade? Well, that's basically what I'm doing right now. Onovuhe, Is that a Benin name? Sounds like an Edo name, which is very cool, by the way. Um, but you will teach me how to trade. Yes, that's what I'm doing right now. So what I'm doing right now is how to figure out your bias in the market or bias for the day. Remember, I told you guys yesterday that when you come to the chart, the first thing you want to figure out is bias. You want to know today, am I trading? Am I buying? Am I going to be buying? Will I be buying or will I be selling? Okay, Unrobo. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. It's my that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. It's cool because it sounded like a name from like Delta, the western part. So yeah, I actually grew up somewhere around that area when I was young. So the name was it sounded very very familiar. Very nice name though. Very nice name. So, like I said, when you come to the market, right, the first thing you want to do, guys, is to identify the direction of the market, or not actually direction of the market, but what is your bias? Like, are you going to be buying, which is that means that you are predicting the market is going to go up, or are you going to be selling, which means you are predicting that the market is going to sell. So, you will now focus on looking for setups or entry or trades that's going to match with your bias. So today now, if we decide that we are going to sell, we want to be looking for what are we going to see that once we see these things, then we'll sell. All right. Then if we end up being bullish, all right, what are we going to look out for so that when we see this particular thing, then we're going to buy. So that's what bias or direction means. So the first thing you want to do when you come to the chart is go to the daily time frame, then start from the daily. All right, start from the daily, then you go to the 4 hour time frame. Then before you don't go down to 15 minutes, which is the entry time frame. So that process is what we call top-down analysis. Please, I told you guys on Monday that if you're coming to my live session, please make sure you come with a note so that you note these things down, especially if you are just getting started with trading. I don't like calling you guys beginners. I'll call you just started with trading, all right? Because everybody got to start somewhere. So if you are just getting started with trading, some of these things are some of the things you want to do research. Okay, what is bias, direction, fair value gap, top-down analysis? What does it really mean? That's how you gain more knowledge, right, in trading. So what we are doing now is what we call top-down analysis, right? Top-down simply means you are starting from a higher time frame to a lower time frame. That is top down. It's very self-explanatory. So you're starting from daily time frame. So this chart right now is on the daily time frame. So each candles are these long things you are looking at. They are called candles. So each candle here represents each day. So this particular white one now, like I said, if you are just joining my life for the very first time, you understand that the white candle represents bearish. That means market is going down. So this one represents Friday, this one represents Thursday, this one represents Wednesday. So we are trying to figure out the bias. So from what we said earlier, we told you guys that price was going to continue to come down to this gap. Then we went down to the 4 hour time frame. Then we want to filter the exact points that we are waiting to see price retrace to. That's when we go to our indicator and identify the gaps. Just like what we did yesterday, this is an area which is where price just touched now, right? Then this one is another area. Mr. Matthew, how are you doing? Amir, XM, good day, sir. XM is here. How are you doing, bro? Yeah, we are still. That's what we are trying to do right now. We're trying to figure out, are we going to be buying? Even though I already know what we're going to do, but I'm showing you guys so that you see how I actually get to know the direction I'm choosing for that particular day. All right. So I started out with daily time frame, and we call that top-down analysis. You can do more research about that on YouTube. All right. Hello, Coach Amos. Yeah, how are you doing? Your phone number now, you take do your username. Let them no go call you from village. Oh. Please change that number to your name, please, so that I'll be able to recognize you in the chat. Well, hey, Oluwakayode, yeah, I'm now seeing my guys from yesterday. You're welcome. Babu Galhaji, good day. How are you doing? Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. So we have 2 levels, right, on the 4-hour time frame. So now, what I'm looking at for today, I'm looking at for price to give me a setup from either this place, right, or this place. So for those who don't know, guys, we've taken 4 trades this week. Some of them were shared right here live with you guys. 4 trades so far. We've not had any losses. You guys, this trade, any of my trades this week, let me know in the comment section if you made money. I know some people yesterday told us that they made money with our signals. I normally refer to it our signals because we are all doing it together, right? So it's not just me. So if you made money with any of our trades, all right, let me know in the comment section, guys. Iceman, you're a superhero. There's a superhero called Iceman. How can I trade? Yeah, you can trade by joining us live every single day, guys. All right, then you get to learn. King what? King, I will call you King. All right, you're welcome. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. Guys, I need people to make deposits, guys. Make deposit, even if it's $10, $5. Click on the gold bag icon beside your chats. All right, click on it, then you make deposits so that you're able to join our VIP. I already showed you some of the things that we do in the VIP that we cannot do here because of time. All right, so even at night when I get good trades or I have updates, I still share it in the Telegram VIP channel. So to be able to get access to that, make deposits. All right, even if it is $3, that's roughly 4,000 or 5,000 naira. You can make deposits and start with that. All right. Good. So XM made profits. King made profits. Cool. So a lot of people actually made profit taking some of our trade this week. So we are not here to, like I always say, we are here to make trading simple. We are not here to speak. We're not here to speak English, right? We are here for 2 major things: make trading simple and assist you in making money on the platform. It's that simple. So 4 trades so far this week. We've not had any lots. Wow. So King made $12.2, $12.4. Let me look for that drum. I don't know anybody that tell me how much they make. Anyone that tells us how much they make, I normally give them some sounds. I didn't even put up my sounds today. That's weird. That's unusual. No. The group cannot be dull. I like it. For those who made money, this one is for you. This one is for you. If you know you made money as well from any of the trades we took this week, let us. Don't worry, guys. The chat is still forming, so we might actually see a trade today. All right. Just make deposits, then wait for signal. By the way, let me show you guys a recommended pair you should use. Give me a second, guys. Give me a sec. Someone just made deposits. Okay, Oluwakayode. Cool. Congrats, bro. So let me show you guys a pair that you should be trading. Especially like if you're depositing like $10, $20, $50, you should be using this pair. Because most of why I recommend this pair is that what's for entry. So why I recommend this page are some of my trades, right? This pop-up now, this is one you should use. Yeah, hello Akaido, I've seen it. I've seen you. You're welcome. Abdul Yusuf. Your network is poor today. What happened now? Don't go and miss our trade for today. Don't go and miss. Though I think you're in the VIP already, so you might still get another. But if you're taking the trade live here, you need to have a very strong network. Wasi, you are welcome. Yeah, we are trying to decide if we're going to buy or sell. So that's what I'm doing right now. Don't worry yourself. I have my eyes on the charts, all right? I want to acknowledge you guys. How you join my VIP, just make deposits of any amount, $20, $50, $100, all right? Right now on the live session, there's a button you can click, all right? There's a button you can click. Click on the gold. Franca, you're welcome on board. Please edit your username to your actual name. Edit your username. There's a good icon. Guys, let's take a look at the charts. Okay. So we don't have any setup yet. So so Franca, can you see the gold icon? If you can see the gold icon, let me know. If you cannot see it, or if you don't know where it is, just that place where you're typing, right? Just look at the right. You will see 3 icons there. That middle one, there's a something like bag that is gold in color, like a bag. That's the one you click to make deposits. Okay, cool. You've seen it. This one says, please, I'm new here. Good afternoon, sir. Yeah, you're welcome. Please change your name to a name I can recognize. So guys, let's just take a look at the chart. So 4 trades so far, guys. No losses this week. All documented, all recorded. We're not faking it here. Now, this is what I'm looking at, guys. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. Now, the structure we are looking at, can you guys remember what I told you about structure we're looking at? So, like I explained to you guys in our previous session, structure is the same thing. If you are new to trade, you can just see structure as a house. So when I say structure, let your mind think building structure, right? So in this structure, trying to figure out something. Trying to look for a particular drawing tool. I don't know why I keep. I would really like to join your VIP group, which is. Yeah, I think you've made deposits now. Oluwakayode, I think you've made deposits, and I think I can see you in the VIP group now. Just hold on, let me confirm that. Yeah, you're already in the VIP group now. So what will happen is that after the live session, I will send you the link to the Telegram channel, right? That's where you will now join. So you will be both in the VIP group and also in the Telegram VIP channel. All right, so you're already there already. I've seen your notification. I will send you the link to the Telegram channel right after the live session. All right, so don't worry yourself. So guys, let's get back to our analysis. So this is the structure we are looking at. Now it's obvious this level is not going to hold. It's obvious this first order. For those of you that normally that love using limit order, I didn't mean you placed your limit order here. It would have taken you out of that trade, and you will lose that trade. You take unnecessary loss. All right. So that's why I don't advise people to use limit order. Wait to see your confirmation. Let the price confirm that it wants to move in your direction before you take the trade. It is that simple. It's just a matter of being patient. All right. Okay, so Franca, if you've seen the icon, sorry. So Franca, if you have seen the icon, you can make your deposit, then you'll be added to the VIP group. King says, why 1 hour time frame? You do 5 minutes. Well, everybody does different time time frame. But what I'm doing right now, I'm starting from top to the bottom to show you how I actually identify where to take trades. 4 trades in a row this week, no losses, is not magic. There's a particular process I follow whenever I come to the charts, all right? Step by step till I get down to, though I use 15 minutes time frame for my trade. So I get down to the 15-minute time frame. So that's what I'm showing you right now. So on the 1 hour time frame, guys, like I said, it's obvious that this first level is not going to hold. So we're going to remove this level. Now remember, I told you guys that today is going to be very how will I put it? There's going to be a lot of whiplash. You know what whiplash is now? Before something goes to the right, all right, it first of all go to the left, then go to the right. That is whiplash. Why? Because of the news that we had today in the markets, which I told you guys was going to be released on a website called Forex Factory. So you can watch our previous live session. So this level now is the next level to look out for to buy gold. Why? Because now I've gotten my structure, and I told you guys that if you want to see structure, if you don't want to understand structure, if you're first time, just see structure as a house. So let's see this whole area now. Let's see this whole area as a house. Now, in that house, there is a foundation or the floor. Then there's a ceiling. Right? I'm not an artist. Don't mind my drawing, guys. Okay, so Franca, you've deposited. Yes, I'm teaching you guys very, very well. That's why I'm using I use examples, things that you can relate to. Because if I start telling you market structure, it might not make sense. It's not that it might not, it will not even make sense. So that's why I'm kind of using. If I tell you structure, I'll tell you, okay, if you can't remember structure, at least remember house, because house too is a structure. So we are looking at this 1 hour structure. All right, this move. Now we are looking forward to sell, right, inside this ceiling, because if this is a house now, we're expecting price to bounce. Like if you are in this house now, for example, you bounce a ball, right? If you bounce that ball very hard, it's going to move to the ceiling, reject from ceiling. Where is it going to come next? The floor. It's going to hit the floor, bounce again until the momentum gets exhausted. So what that simply means is that if you want to predict that the market is going to go up, or you want to buy, you want to be buying around the floor area. or the foundation area. That is what we call support area. So you can either call that area the floor, or the support, or the what's again now, the foundation. All right, so let me take this out now. Meanwhile, where the market sells from, which is the higher part of that structure, or higher part of the house, which is the ceiling, you can now call this area, you can call it ceiling. I hope this is spelling of resistance. That's the basic boy with all those, because my aim is to make trading simple, guys. Please help. How can I help you, please? Franca, please change your name. Go to your profile, change your default username to Franca, so that I'll recognize you each time you are chatting. Because in the next session now, I might not be able to recognize that, because there are a series of users that have similar, numbers or letters. Right? Change your name. So we're waiting for entry. No need to rush the market, guys. Just relax. So we are looking forward to either sell from here. Supply, demand. These are the names now. Supply, demand, ceiling and floor, resistance and support. All right. So I believe you understand the concept of market structure now. If what I just explained opened your eyes to something new, let me know in the comment section, guys. You can't see me? How is that possible? I'm right there now. I'm right there on the screen. Please, guys, if you can see me clearly. If you can see me clearly, let me know. Okay, guys. So now let's get down to the 15 minutes time frame on gold, and let's see if we're going to take. Guys, don't worry yourself about this particular drawing. I know something to measure out something. So this is where I'm looking out to buy gold, guys. Right now, I'm looking out to sell gold from this level. Or buy gold from this level. So this is how it's going to be, guys, between now and 4:30 p.m., which is our first session, guys. Yeah, for those of you asking where should we buy, I'm giving you where I'm buying gold. If you want to buy now or sell now, you can do that on your own, but I'm not giving you signal yet, all right? So what I'm looking at for gold to do, if I want to sell gold now. I want to see gold go up and give me a double top. Then I'm going to sell to this level. That's if I'm going to be selling gold now. Now, if I'm going to be buying in this session, I want to see price come down to this level. Give me a setup, then all right. You can see my screen now. So I'm looking to buy gold around 4535. I'm not the reason I don't like giving you gap buying, and it's very wrong. Franca, try and understand what I'm doing here. I'm a professional trader. I don't come here and start giving you random figures. My screen is showing. It can't be from my end. My system, my phone, everything is showing very well. So it cannot be from my end. If anybody is having issues seeing my screen, let them know. Tell me in the comment section, guys. Because it's very clear from here. I can see my screen clearly. So the reason I don't like giving you guys a particular level is that once you tell someone I'm expecting to buy here, once price gets there, they just start buying, which is very wrong. So you need to see your confirmation before you start buying. If you want to sell, you need to see your confirmation before you start selling. That's why we had 4 trades this week. We don't have any losses. If you always buy, because I say I'm going to buy, for example, now I'm looking to buy at this level, right, which is 4350, 4530, sorry. Franca, is it clear enough now? Amir, XM, stay sharp. I love this. Cool. Franca, if the screen is okay now, let me know. I just zoomed in very well now. Okay. So the reason I don't like giving people levels is because most people lose money in forex because they gamble a lot or they make too much prediction. But the way I trade, I want to see confirmation before I take a trade. That's how we've been trading since I started streaming with you guys. That's why we've had those results. All right, 4 trades, no losses is not something you easily see like that in trading. So most people now, if I tell them this is what I'm looking for buy, which is basically what I'm looking for a buy, some people will start placing limits order here or buy order here. Then when price get there and it does not respect that level, you take them out of the trade. Then they will tell you your signal is very bad. But what I want to see is for price to come down. How's it called? I don't do emotional trading, so I must see my confirmation if I take my trade. Please, if you are yet to have access to my guide on how my strategy works, there's an icon, right, just above the chat box. If you click on that icon, you will be able to claim that strategy. It will take you to a new big group where you will get access to the strategy, the PDF, and also the video. So just above the chat box, you click on that claim button. There's a, what's it called now? There's a small banner to the top right. Just click on it. So what we're doing right now, guys, we're waiting for gold. Is anybody trading BTC? Where are my BTC guys? Let me know. Let's see. We will analyze BTC for you. I don't trade BTC more often, but I can analyze it and tell you what to look out for. Hi, Texas FX. Wow, what a name, bro. You're welcome. You're welcome, guys. Just Franca, just above this place you are chatting now, just below my my video, by your right side, there's a banner, a small banner that keeps showing like pictures. You will see something like claim there. Click on that claim, or you can go to my profile. If you go to my profile, you will see something like claim freebie or claim free strategy. Click on it. It will take you to a group. After this session, I will send you guys the link to download the videos and the PDF file. So if you've gotten it, let me know in the comment section, Franca. I'm here to see a lot of people. Are they at work or what? There are lots of them. Dixon, a lot of people from yesterday. Maybe they'll join us in the second session. I don't know. So Franca, if you've seen it, you let me know. So guys, anybody trading BTC? Does anyone trading BTC today? We are trading BTC, guys. Okay, let's take a look at BTC. If there's any pair you are trading, guys, and okay, cool, Franca, that's good. So if there's any pair that you are trading and you want me to take a look at it, BTC, sorry, USD. So yesterday I gave you guys. Sorry, this is not a signal. I was just breaking the market down for BTC trader yesterday. So yesterday I told BTC trader something, which is what happened exactly as predicted. I told you guys that if you want to buy BTC, that was around 5 p.m. yesterday. Gold, we're still waiting for entry, so we are not buying or selling yet. It's the buying points. 4530 is the buying point. But like I said, don't just buy once price get there. You must see confirmation, please. Let's learn to follow the exact instruction. Not that when price get there, you just start buying. No, please. Yes, just confirm phone number. Yeah, confirm the phone number. Then it's going to add you to a new big group. That's why I will send you guys a link to download my materials for free later after this session. So yesterday, for those trading BTC, I told you guys that this was the level to look gap. That if I'm trading BTC or if I was to trade BTC yesterday, that I would want to see BTC come down into that gap, then give a setup, then I'll buy. That this is the exact point. This is what I showed you yesterday. Please, if you remember this particular prediction yesterday on BTC, let me know in the comment section. Though I'm yet to see a lot of those guys. I don't know. Maybe they're still at work or something. If you did take a trade, this particular double bottom trade, which is my main entry system, you see that you actually made a 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. TG Molly, I think I've had you like twice in my session. You are trading Euro USD. Okay, I'll look into that for you. Who else? Is BTC up and down these hours? Well, like I always do, guys, I first of all check the daily time frame to see what is happening. And on the daily time frame, I think what I told you guys will happen with BTC already played out, which is price taking out this high, then rejecting. So for me right now, I won't really say I have anything to trade BTC, to trade with or trade on BTC. I don't really have much to recommend. I'm going to be on a higher time frame, which is waiting for price to get to to this particular level. I have with a lot of people who just got started with trading is that, yeah, buddy, how are you doing? Buddy, how far? Problem I have with a lot of people who get started with trading is that they don't normally have good patience when it comes to market. Like if I tell them wait for a particular thing to happen, most people just get too emotional and they act before the market moves. I think that's one major problem. That's why most people lose lots of money. But yeah, I'm cool as well. But did you make money with our signal yesterday or 2 days ago? So I think I saw yesterday and I think 2 days ago in our live session. I know you guys by name, unless you change your names. I know you guys by name. Precious Johnson, you're welcome. So like I was saying, most of the issues I have with people who just got started with trading is that they don't, they hardly exercise patience. All right, so hardly exercise patience. Wait, patience. Not yet. Started following these few days. Okay, no problem now. No problem. We've taken 4 trades this week though, no losses. So just in case you are wondering what performance is like, though past result does not guarantee future results, but I trade a particular system and I repeat it every single day if there's a setup in the market. So I don't just come today I'm using support and resistance, tomorrow I'm using trend line, next tomorrow I'm using indicator. That's why most people are not consistent in their trading because they use different things different days. But I stick to one particular system and I trade gold mostly. So that's why I'm getting those results. So guys, right now we are still waiting for gold to give us something. So what I'm waiting for now, if gold comes down, takes out this low, then come up and close above this level, we are going to buy. So make your deposits now, guys, and wait for entries. So that is one thing we're waiting for now. Now, if gold goes up and rejects from this area and give us sign of rejection, then we're going to sell down to this level. So if you want to buy or sell now, that is basically you doing your own thing, which I'm not saying is good or bad, it's your money, all right? But I only claim data for the signals that I give, not the ones that you take on your own. But if you must trade, guys, please, if you don't have $500, $1,000, use the recommended pair that I just popped up for you guys in the chat section so that you'll be able to use good risk management. Buddy says, yes, I can see these few days. Okay, cool. AP says, good, buy. I just showed you what I'm waiting for. So if you want to buy, you can go ahead. But that's not my signal. So let's just be clear on that, guys. Bravo, success. Oh, let me just call you success. Success just made deposits. Nice. So success, you're welcome to the VIP. At the end of this session, I'm going to, success, I've seen it. So at the end of this session, I'm going to send you guys, the link to the Telegram channel. But you're already added to the VIP group on the BTCDana app. All right, you can even chat there as well, ask your questions, interact with other traders there. But for the Telegram channel, once we are done with this session, I'm going to send you the link. So you're welcome to the VIP. All right. Guys, just give me 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes, I'll be back. Okay, guys, let's go. So, does anybody understand what we're actually waiting for on Good? Can you get me now, guys? Sorry. Buddy, if you can hear me, please let me know. I think I muted the mic and I forgot. How about now, guys? Okay, cool. Sorry for that. I think I muted the mic. I didn't know. Sorry. So what I was trying to say, what I was saying was that so what I was saying was that in trading, right, we try to lose little and make more. So I was saying that even though we've been profitable, right, in our session from Monday, even the VIP from Monday till now, that does not mean that at some points we're not going to take losses. But the thing is that we have to make sure we are losing less than we are making. All right. So if we make, let's say, for example, this week you make $50, for example, and today being Friday, which is the last day of trading, let's say you lose, let's say, for example, $10. I'm just giving an instance. I'm not saying we're going to lose today, but at the end of the day, you still made $40 for the week. All right. But did you lose a trade? Yes. Did you win a trade? Yes. But did you win all of them? No. But did you make money? Yes. That is the main question. Are you making money? Because at the end of the day, everything we do in life, There's going to be losses, there's going to be win. Even if you start a provision store right now, not everything you buy that you're going to sell, there are things that are going to get spoiled. Some will get expired, some they go farm. Some you even mistakenly give it out without name. Let's say, for example, somebody orders for, 2 pieces of something. You are mistakenly give the person 3, 4. You've lost money. But are you going to say, okay, because I lost 3 pieces of gala from this carton, let me stop this business? No. But the only thing is that you have to understand, why did you lose in the first place? So if the reason you lost, that's why I don't just come here to download things from the internet and start teaching you things about trading. No, I'm telling you, I'm sharing my story and my personal experience from trading. And because I'm someone who have people I mentor, even outside BTCDana, I know how beginners think. Beginners, or those who just got started with trading, they just want to deposit money, come to the chart, and they believe that there must be something to trade, buy or sell. No, it does not work like that. So most of the reason why most people lose is because of lack of patience. Like what we are doing right now, we are waiting for God to give us something. If He does not give us that thing, yeah, Frank, I've seen your deposits. You're already in the VIP. Don't worry yourself. Like I said already, you are going to be added to. You're going to be added to the Telegram channel right after this session. So don't worry yourself. All right. Don't worry. I will do all that. I'm doing a lot of things right now. So after the session, then I will send you the Telegram link. Don't worry yourself. All right. We already have 20 plus people already there that joined yesterday. So it will be added. So like I'm saying, you have to try and exercise patience in trading. Now, this is let me show you guys one hack in trading, right? Let me show you guys one hack in trading. Let me show you guys one thing. There are 2 types of setup or 2 types of trade, right? There's what we'll call the A plus. Please, guys, I always tell you guys, come with your notes. All right. As you can see, I don't have any PDF, any lecture. I'm just teaching you what comes to my mind and based on what you guys are asking. So there's what we call the A plus setup, right? There's what we call the B setup. A plus setup just simply means if you are taking a trade, you are taking an entry, is the same thing, or you are placing a trade, it means the same thing. So there's the A plus entry, right? There's the B setup or entry. Guys, if you've not claimed my free gift, please click on the claim button or go to my profile right now. No, not go to the profile, just from this live session, click on the claim. There's a claim button just above your chat box. Be able to claim. Okay, guys, so there are 2 types of trades. All right, there's the A plus trade, then there's the B setup or the B type of trade or B entry. Now the difference between the 2 of them, right, is that the A plus is the one you patiently waited for to give you what you're actually looking for before you take that trade, before you buy or before you sell. Meanwhile, the B setup, you just feel like it's like God is going to buy, let me buy, or it's like God is going to sell, let me sell. Then you start selling, you start buying. But within you know that you are not really sure of this trade. Now, there's no guarantee that every trade is going to go your way. But as a trader, you need a particular system or a particular way you trade. So there are certain things you need to see on the charts at a certain time of the day that once you see them, you know that, okay, this is my trade, and you take it. That's how I trade, and that's how I've been teaching you guys since Monday. So that's why we have those results. Now, those kind of trade we've been taking, they are called the A plus setup because they meet my trading criteria or your trading criteria if you already have your own trading system, right? They meet all trading criteria. Meanwhile, the B type of entry or B type of trades, right? They meet, or sorry, they don't meet all criteria. Now, I will show you some of the criteria. Then wait for trade. We're still going to come back to the next session, which is 5:30 p.m. So hopefully by then we'll have. Hopefully by then. So hopefully by then we'll have a trade, all right? So this particular trade now, right? The A plus kind of trade. Let's say, for example, you have $50 in your account, right? And you are using the XAUSD mini, right? And let's say our trade, we are risking $3 if you are using 0.1. Now, in this particular A plus, you want to use you want to use 0.03. I'm giving an example now. And why are you using 0.03? Because the A plus setup or trade has a higher tendency of playing out, of hitting profits for you. All right. Meanwhile, the B setup, you want to risk less, meaning you want to use, like, let's say 0.01. Why? Because if this particular one now hits stop loss, meaning if it does not go your way, you might lose, let's say, I'm giving an example, guys. You might lose, let's say, if you hit target, if you hit your target, that's your profit. You might make, let's say, 6. Meanwhile, the B plus setup, if you hit your target, you are going to make 2 USD. Now, the psychology or the when you are taking A plus trades and risk less when you are taking B plus setups. Because let's say, for example, if you take, don't worry guys, I will still go back to the chart. I'm just trying to explain this thing so that people will understand that not all trades, all right? So because why you need to risk more in an A plus trade, all right, compared to a B trade, is that in the B trade, which has less probability. So let's say, for example, if you take 10 trades that did not meet your criteria, right, out of that 10 trade, you might only have 3 wins, right, and 7 losses. And that will be our lesson for today, guys. You might have 3 wins and 7 losses, so you see that you are winning less and you are losing more. But in this particular A plus setup, you will see that you can win 7. You can have 7 wins. You might have 7 wins and 3 losses, and you make more money. So not every trade are not the same. It's not every trade you are going to use 0.01. Not every trade are going to use 0.02. It has to do with how valid is that particular trade. Is it an A plus trade or is it a B plus trade? And I already told you, how do you know which trade is an A plus trade, which one is a B trade? A plus trade, the one that meets most of your criteria. Those criteria is like, I'm looking out for this. If this happens, I'm going to sell. If this happens, I'm going to buy, which is what I just showed you right now or go. So if those things don't happen, we're not taking a trade. Now, any trade we want to take now, right? Any trade we want to take now is going to be, okay, let me ask, if we are to take a trade now, right? Even though we're expecting gold to go up and give us a sell so that we can sell it, so that we can take a trade. Now, let me ask you guys now, based on what I just explained, if we are to take a trade now, let's say, for example, want to take let's say I want to take a sell. Guys, this is not a signal. I'm just want to take the way the price is now. Is this going to be an A plus with what I just explained to you guys now? Is this going to be an A plus setup? Let me know those that are actually following our teaching for the. We're done for the teaching now. We're not teaching again. Well, now we're waiting for our trade. That is just me asking question based on the explanation I just gave now. Franca says, is there a way I can zoom in? Zoom into what? Let me know. Please, I'm new here. You're welcome. Can I teach you? Yeah, I'm already teaching you already. I just taught you guys something. I'm waiting for a reply. Yours is not working. What is not working? So guys, if you must buy or sell gold, you want to use the XAUSD mini. Ami XM says something yummy is coming. I feel it. I hope so. Yeah, you can make your deposits. Justin said, can I use BTCDana on laptop? You can use it, but you can sign up, I think, on the website. But the app itself is actually the iPhone or Android. I don't think. Maybe you chat up the customer care, then confirm, please, so that I don't give you wrong information. Success says it's an A plus setup. Okay. I want to hear more people talk about. Tell me if it's an A plus or a B setup. I'm not trying to say that anyone that you can actually use either of them. But I just gave you the difference that one of them you want to risk more and the other you want to risk less. Hamek Biggs, how do you know where to take a trade when you choose to follow A plus setup? I just explained that to you right now. The A plus setup is not really a zone. Guys, you can actually take a sell from here if you want to. But it's going to be a B setup. The reason I'm differentiating this, you can take a sell right if you want to. Just make sure your stop loss. Make sure your stop loss is but this is too large. Stop loss is large. That's why I always wait for my entry. But I believe strongly price is going to come down to this level. This is where price is coming this. But if you want to trade now, you can sell, guys. Sell and target this level. But make sure your stop loss is I'm not adding this to my trade, but I'm just, for those who, a lot of you guys just want to trade, just want to make money. So make sure your stop loss is at 4631. So for those of you wondering, this is actually setup, not an A plus setup. So if you are taking this trade, you want to be risking less than you should. So you can sell. I can take profits 4, 5, 2, 3. I'm still waiting for you guys to identify if this is an A plus setup or if it's a B setup. I think I already answered that already. So let me know guys in the comment section. Are you guys selling? Are you guys taking the sell? If you're taking the sell, let me know. Guys, don't forget to make deposit to join my VIP, guys. Don't forget, very, very important. Don't be surprised, on weekends I might even send you guys updates during weekends. You never can tell. As long as the channel is open. It says I'm new here. It's a B setup because I've hold on guys. Body says it's B setup because you have started buying. No, that's not why. Even though it's a B setup, but that's not why it's a B setup. It's a B setup because it does not meet all the criteria. It does not meet all the criteria. I just explained. Maybe you go back to the video a bit, then see where I explain the difference between B setup and A setup. But definitely for me, I can tell you that, show you that gold is going to come down. So if you must sell, if you must trade, you should be selling gold. Just target this level 4, 5, 2, 3. All right. Make sure your stop loss is way above this level. Though if you take trade now, right now, your stop loss is going to be above, going to be around $6, $5. If you are using 0.01 on XAUSD mini, but if you're using 0.01 on XAUSD, the main XAUSD pair, that's going to be like $60, $50. And if you don't have up to that, please use the one I recommend on the chat. Click on the sell on that one if you must trade now. So this is a B setup, guys, not an A plus setup. So the only reason I'm selling, or the reason I believe price is going to come down, is because if you check, let's look at the 30 minutes time frame. So there's what we call an FEG here that price is rejecting from. From that next level is going to target is this level over here. So that's why I have that. I had that space if you want to sell. All right. So if you guys understand now the difference between A plus and what is it called now? A plus setup and B setup, let me know in the comment section, guys. I'm reading all your comments. Salam alaikum. How are you? Yes, King, you can sell. You can sell. How many USD do I need to trade on 0.2 on the main gold? If you have, to be honest with you, let me just be honest with you. For you to be comfortable with each trade, you should have at least $100 there. I'm not gonna lie you. I'm not going to now trick you, tell you $10 enough. Then when you put $10 there, you take one trade. If God just move against you by 10 points, that $10 is gone. So most trades stop loss is going to be around between stop loss of $30, $25 minimum. So you want to have at least $100 so that once you take a trade, you can set your stop loss at least $30. Then your trade will have breathing space. Let me explain what I mean by that. For example, now, if you are taking this trade, right? Frank, I'm explaining this one to you now. So if you're taking this trade somewhere here, right? And now gold is selling, you will be in profit. Now imagine gold retraces a little bit, all right? Does something like this, then sharply goes. I think we saw this on Wednesday in the VIP group. Gold came up. If you join the VIP group, if you want to join the VIP channel, you can scroll up. You will see that this trade I'm talking about. So gold went up. It didn't take us out of that trade, but it retraced at least 50% of that SL. Then later it went sharply to our TP. Now imagine something like that happening here, and you have just $10. Trust me, if gold moves to this level, since the SL here now, as you can see, is roughly 50 points, that is $50 now. Now you see that half of this is $25 already. So if you have $10, it will wipe you off this trade, but it will still come down to TP. So you see that it's not the fault of the signal, it's the fault of you using the wrong capital size. So that's why I said $100 is a comfortable amount, at least the minimum, to trade the main gold pair. So that's why when I recommend pairs, I always use the XAUSD mini, because I know a lot of people are using $10, $20, $50, that kind of thing. So please, if you are selling, please guys, use XAUSD mini. Use XAUSD mini. So Frank, I believe you understand. I believe you understand my explanation now. So we just have 8 minutes to this session, guys. We're going to be back here by 5:30 p.m. So if you are in this sell trade, I'm giving you the parameters now so that you know what to do while I'm not online. Then if you're in the VIP Telegram, if you are joining the VIP group, I'm also going to update in this trade if you took the trade, because I didn't plan to take this trade, but I saw that FEG and told those of you who want to sell that you can sell, don't buy. So already giving you guys the target. So if you can see the stop loss and the targets in the comment section, let me know. Okay, so Frank, I believe you understand now. I'll plan to that by next week. No problem. The money is yours, so you are not really you're giving it to anybody. It's still, even if you deposit it and say you don't want to trade it for another 1 month, it's still going to be there. Whenever you wake up and want to withdraw, you can still withdraw it. BTCDana give you your withdrawal the same day, and that one now is now. I don't think there's anybody here now that is still disputing that, because that's a fact already. So guys, we have 7 minutes more on this session. Please, I need some money. If you need money, you got to work, put some money into trading, multiply it, then you have money. It's that simple. Okay, Franca, thank you. Who else again before we end this session? Amir XM said that we are sell. Yeah, like I said, if you are selling, you want to make sure that your stop loss, already giving your stop loss 431. This is where you want to make sure your stop loss is. Because I strongly believe that gold is going to come down to take the distance between where price is right now and the stop, and it's too much for you. Leave the trade, right? But if it's okay, if you're comfortable with it, then you can go ahead and sell. But the reason I'm sharing this is that some people will still want to must still trade. I know I have a lot of experience with traders. Even when I say don't trade, people will still trade. So that's why I always end up giving you a direction so that even if you want to trade, buy, or if you want to trade, sell. So in this case now, even if you must trade, sell. And if you are selling, make sure your stop loss is here, make sure your TP is here. Now it's not left for you to calculate. If the stop loss is too much for you, are you still going to buy or are you still going to sell? So that's basically what I'm doing right now. But this is not me telling you that I'm taking this particular trade. The ones I took, I tell you I'm taking them. You see me entering them. So for those who can't wait to, let's say we get an A plus entry. This is a B. This is a B setup. I'm already giving you guys the difference between the B setup and A plus setup. So that when I'm sharing a trade, I tell you guys, this is an A plus setup. You know that, okay, you are going to be risking more on that trade. Like on this one now, we'll say risk less because it's a B setup. It is that simple. Guys, if you still know our mantra, guys, let me know in the comment section. Making trading simple, guys. Let's go. Before we end this session, guys. So XM, I believe you understand what I just said now. So guys, we have 4 more minutes to go on this particular session. So for those in the Telegram channel, sorry guys, those in the VIP now, I'm going to send you the link right now. I'm going to send you guys the link. So once you see the link, just click on it. It will take you to the Telegram VIP channel. Check. I think VIP group. So success, then Franca Oluwakayode. So you guys are going to be getting you guys will get the link now. So what I want you to do now is to check. So Oluwakayode, you can check your DM as your private message. I just sent you the link to the Telegram channel. Franca, I think I'm sending yours as well. So guys, we have just 2 minutes more in this session. I'm going to be back by 5:30 p.m. guys. Success, I'm sending you yours now. Success. Also, did you change your username? Why am I not seeing you in the group again? Okay, guys. So we have just 1 minute before. So says I cannot find you in the group. So maybe you drop a chat so that I'll confirm. Maybe you change your username or something. If you've not received the Telegram link, please let me know in the. There's a group chat. You didn't change. Why am I? Let me see if I can send you a direct DM from the chats. Okay, I will send you a direct DM from the live chat right now because I want to do it before I oh boy. Just give me a minute. I think I initially sent. There's a link I also sent you before. I think a link to download my strategy. So check your DM success and confirm if you've received. I just sent you the link. I think there's one more person. Please, I haven't received the Telegram. Did you make deposit while on this live? CXOR something. Please change your username. I want to make sure I've settled everything before I end of this. Ika fam. Where you there since morning now? Where everybody they join live session? Ika fam, check your DM. I just sent it. I just sent another. I sent you a series of. But you said, well, I asked you yesterday. I'm reading our chat and I said, have you gotten access now? You said yes, you copied and pasted it on Google since. But I just sent you a new link now, so check. Who else? XM, okay, cool. Who else now? Okay, guys, I think I'll have to end this session then. Please, if you made deposit on a VIP group, just drop a chat. There's a group already. I don't necessarily need to send you the private DM anymore. There's a group. On that group, if you've not gained access to the Telegram channel, type there. The group is open. Yes, I have not gotten access to the Telegram channel. Then I'll drop the link, the new link again. How about Franca? Have you seen the link? Let me send it to you here now because I think you are the first, not the second that made deposit today. So I'll be fair to everybody. I've sent it now. Check your DM. I've sent it. I know I've sent it. You're actually the first person I sent it to. That was around 4:28. Check your DM. I'm sending it again. I've sent it. I'll not add you automatically. You will check, go to this app now. You see a message area. You will see a message area. On that message, you will see private messages. You are the one to click the link to join the Telegram channel. I won't be able to add you automatically. That's not how it works. I hope you understand. So, guys, that was all for this session, guys. Frank, if you've not gotten it, let us know. Let us know in the group. There's a group. Navigate the app. You will see a group. You see a VIP, Amos Premium group or VIP group that you joined. You have been added automatically to the group. So, it's the Telegram channel link that I'm sending to you for you to join. So, guys, that will be all. See you guys by 5:30, guys. So this cell, I've given you the parameters already. So let's hope it hits our TP. Then we'll come back in the next session, then analyze it again. All right, take care, guys.